Hi, my name's Ellen and I'm starting my YouTube channel while I'm stranded here in the island of Cebu. And Cebu is one of the largest islands in the Philippines. Please watch my video. It's about oregano. Oregano has been used since ancient days in the Old Testament for healing and for purification purposes. Please watch the video and don't forget to click like and share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will find out when the next video will come in. Thank you. These are calabu or oregano that grows wildly in my sister's vegetable garden. And do you know that oregano or calabu has been used during the ancient times or even in the Old Testament because of its healing and purifying properties? It's not only for spices but also for healing. In the book of Psalm chapter 51 verse 7, it says, "Purge me with hyssop, and I shall be clean. Wash me, and I shall be whiter than snow." This is King David's prayer when his best friend Jonathan told him of his sins. So King David cried unto God for forgiveness. Purge me with hyssop. And purge here means purify me, cleanse me, sanitize me, sterilize me, wash me, save me, O God. And the Latin word for purge is purgare, removing impure things. And hyssop, because of its healing and purifying properties, it has been used in the ancient times. Hyssop is Oregano vulgare, commonly grown in the Mediterranean mountains. The Greek word is oros and ganos. Oros for mountain and ganos for joy. So Oregano vulgare is mountains of joy. Research have shown that oregano is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-yeast. Emmenagogue, which is good for premenstrual syndrome, aids in digestion, and it's anti-allergenic and expectorant and a potent antioxidant. Here I'm washing the leaves so I can make cough syrup. And oregano has been used as a natural remedy for sore throat and for colds and cough. Oregano is an expectorant because it has carvacrol rosmaric acid, which is a natural decongestant. And to make a cough syrup, I have 5 oregano leaves, or you can have more, whichever you want. Then 2 calamansi and black forest honey. This is the only honey I could find in the store during this pandemic. And oregano is known to boost the immune system, which gets rid of the buildup of mucus and the phlegm in the lungs. Oregano has a soothing smell caused by thymol limonene. Oregano has a sweet, bold smell, and that's why they are most sought after spices. Here I'm preparing the leaves so I can pound it to squeeze the juice out of it. You can also make tea out of oregano, and it soothes your stomach. It aids in digestion. You can put oregano leaves in hot water to make tea, and it really soothes your stomach and it calms your stomach also. And if you want to get rid of mosquitoes inside the house, you can just have oregano plants inside your house. You can put it under the table, over the table, and everywhere there's mosquitoes. And it really helps because it's a proven fact. I've been using it to get rid of mosquitoes. And oregano is also known to treat osteoporosis and works to reduce inflammation and pain because it has beta-caryophyllene in it. So after you grind or pound the leaves, you can squeeze the juice out and make sure you really squeeze it, and then you put calamansi juice. And then you put calamansi juice, and also next one is the honey. I have Black Forest honey here because that's the only one I can find in the store during this time, during this quarantine time. I use my hand to cut the seeds so it will not go into the juice. It is easy to plant oregano in the garden. You can either plant it by seeds or by stem cuttings. To me, it's easier to plant it by stem because it's easy to grow. It grows fast. You can even put the stem in the bottle with water and it will grow fast. So here I just put 1 teaspoon of black forest honey. So because there's only small amount of juice. Oregano has emmenagogue, which is a substance that stimulates or increases menstrual flow. Now the verdict. It's actually sweet, tangy, tasty. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like and share and subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll find out the next video. Thank you.